Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Reno5 Z, and I'll show you how to disable the ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go to the settings app and here go to the sound and vibration section. And now, as can you see, we get our ringtone is activated here. So just to turn it off, swipe with the finger to the left side. And that's it. Also, we got another way how you can do that. Just tap here on the left side on your phone to the volume buttons, to the left or up or down, that doesn't matter, and with your finger swipe here to the down. And also you can tap here on these two dots, and by the same way, just by swapping down, you can disable your ringtone volume. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.